Accurately measuring the flow is essential for running plants effectively and safely. Tek-Vor 1300C Vortex Flow Meter. Tek-Vor 1300C Vortex Flow Meter is suited for gas, steam, and non-conductive liquid flow measurements. It measures fluid velocity using von Karman effect. Sensor body available with a wafer or flange design. Pressure and temperature sensor for density calculations. Converter, flow outputs, and Bluetooth connectivity. Flow principle. The 1300C Tek-Vor measures fluid velocity using a principle of operation referred to as the von Karman effect, which states that when flow passes by a bluff body, a repeating pattern of swirling vortices is generated. Here is the formula for calculating vortices. The 1300C is widely used in applications such as boilers, power plant, and other additional markets. Tek-Vor 1300C has exceptional features: high accuracy and high stability. It's easy to install and easy to operate. It can eliminate maintenance and costly shutdowns. It has LCD display along with digital outputs. It has inbuilt RTD and pressure sensor. It has Bluetooth and self-diagnostic function. We offer multiple options. Tek-Vor 1300C standard type has two options: wafer with counterflange adapters and flange. Tek-Vor 1300C multi-variable type also has two options: wafer and flange with integrated pressure and temperature sensor.